How to add USDT in TON network to Trust Wallet and easily receive this crypto token to your wallet. This is very easy to do, so follow my steps and let's start. So first of all, you have to open a Trust Wallet app and click on the search bar at the top of the screen. And as you can see, there are a lot of crypto tokens here. However, to add USDT in TON network, you have to type in the search bar USDT. But here be careful, because there are many USDT networks, and if you choose the wrong one when sending or receiving your coins, they may not come to your wallet. So be careful and click on the All Networks button at the top of the screen. Next, choose TON network, and after that you will get a couple of USDT in TON network. But the one we need is USDT TON with such an icon, so click on it. And finally you can send, receive or buy USDT token right in the Trust Wallet app. But in order to receive USDT in TON network to your Trust Wallet app, you have to click Receive and copy your wallet address. Also, one of the ways to receive a USDT tokens is to show this QR code to a person who is going to send you this crypto.